How do scientists determine if something is a scientific fact? Have you ever wondered how scientists decide if something is a scientific fact? It is a fascinating process that relies on careful observation and measurement. Let's break it down. First, scientists depend on repeatability. This means that if one scientist conducts an experiment, another scientist should be able to replicate the same results under similar conditions. If the results are consistent, it indicates that the observation is reliable and not just a one-time occurrence. Next, empirical evidence plays a significant role. This evidence comes from data collected through scientific methods that are observable and measurable. Scientists do not base their conclusions on personal beliefs or opinions. Instead, they rely solely on the evidence gathered through their experiments. Another important aspect is falsifiability. While facts are observations, they support hypotheses and theories that can be tested and potentially proven wrong. A fact becomes stronger when it consistently backs up scientific predictions. Peer review is also a key step in this process. Before a scientific fact is widely accepted, it undergoes scrutiny by other scientists in the field. This peer review helps to minimize errors and biases, ensuring that the fact is as accurate as possible. It is essential to understand that scientific facts are not set in stone. They are accepted as true based on the current evidence available. However, if new evidence emerges, scientists are open to revising their understanding. For instance, our knowledge of atoms and gravity has evolved over time as new discoveries have been made. In summary, scientists determine if something is a scientific fact through consistent and repeatable observation and measurement. This process is supported by empirical evidence and verified by the scientific community. The dynamic nature of science allows for adjustments as new information comes to light. So, the next time you hear about a scientific fact, remember that it is the result of a rigorous process that values evidence and repeatability.